Hi. Today we will learn how to add friends in Duolingo on PC and mobile app. For PC, simply log into your account. Then Profile and find Friends on the right side. Here type any name or username you are looking for. And when found, simply follow the ID. The user will get the notification. This is my ID and this day I have 844-day streak. On your phone, go to the Duolingo app. Come to the profile icon. Then add friends. Search by name or username. When found, simply follow it and you are done. So, this is the way to find a contact or friend in Duolingo PC and mobile version. Hope you found this to be useful. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.